You are ready? My dear guest, first of all, I want to give you information about the history of ceramic making. The history of ceramic making started with the Hittite. Hittite is the antique civilization were living in Cappadocia, in Anatolia, almost 4,000 years ago. And Hittites were using this red clay because we obtained this red clay from old river bank of Red River, which passed through this town in Avanos. Nowadays, we use this red clay, but for demonstration more. For production, we prefer white clay. Why? White clay includes kaolin and quartz mineral. Maybe you know quartz is the hardest mineral in natural to make the ceramic. So, thanks to quartz, we can produce our pieces very fast, and our pieces have resistance. They cannot break easily. By the way, we obtained this white clay from mountains in Cappadocia. Maybe your guide knows you about it. In Cappadocia, we have 3 volcanic mountains. We can obtain this kaolin and quartz from these mountains. After we obtain the clays, we have 5 grand process. In the first step, we dry our pieces. After drying, we fire almost 1000 degrees Celsius in electrical kiln during 16 hours. After first firing process, it's called bisque. We obtain this bisque, we start to draw and paint. We draw and paint with hands. We have seen we don't use any stencils or any copy paper several times, but if we wanna make religious pieces, we must use stencils to not make a mistake. After painting process, we can use textures depending on the design, relief technique, and finally we glaze and fire again. Glaze, this white material, is like liquid glass. After glazing, one more time we fire. During the second firing process, this glaze melts and we have bright and vibrant color combinations. You can see same colors after glazing changed, matte and the colorful. So, thanks to quartz and the natural glaze, our pieces are so functional, not just for decoration. If you want, you can use to serve, to eat, to drink something. After using, you can put in dishwasher.